Nellies, this is part 2 of The Famous Family. Hey Nellies, this is part 2 of The Famous Family. Starring Madison and Addison. Starring Madison and Addison. We're home! And the power's back on, Addie. You can now go change all your school clothes. Yay! Okay, now I've got to change. Just go in here. Okay, done. Okay, now I just gotta get downstairs. Yay! Okay. Lunch is ready. Yay! Chicken and vegetables. Chicken and veggies. My favorite! Yummy! Hold on. Yum! Yummy! 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 I love this. It's so nice. Yeah. Mommy, I need to go do my homework now. Dad, Mommy, we should go do my homework now. Ugh, homework. Always have to do homework. Why do you even say I have homework to do? Should I just... Who's in the bathroom? It's just my mom. Okay, time to get my piece of paper. Okay. 3 times 8. 3 times 8 equals 24. Equals 24. 9 times 12. 9 times 12. I know my 9. 9 my 12s. I do not know my 9s. I know my 12s. Mommy! 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 What's 9 times 12? Because I know my 12s, not 9s. Because I know my 12s and not 9s. Yes, please. I cannot tell you, but I can help you. Yes, please. Okay, so What's 9 times 2? 18. Yeah, it's 9, 18. 9 times 2 plus 18, right? Okay, so 8 and regroup the 1. 9. Is it 9? No. What's 9 times 1? 9. Yeah? Add the one that we regrouped. 10! Is it 10? Yes! Yes! And it is! Yay! So 0 and regroup the 1. Is it 1? Is it 1? I don't know. Is it 1? Yay! Yay! I got it! There's nothing else to time, so the answer is 0. Is it 0, Emma? No. 100? Is it 100? Is it 100? Okay, so in the ones column there's 8, and the tens column there's 0. Hundreds column has 1. The answer is 108. 108. Oh, no, 100. 108. Guys, sorry, it's just supposed to say 108, but just tagged. Yay! Yay! Yay, now I'm done. Let's homeworks into. Oh no. Roommate, right? Okay, roommate. I need a roommate permission, please. Sorry. Thank you. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Sleep now. I'm gonna go to sleep now. 'Cause day and night, day and night. Don't go closer. Oh my god. It's time to get ready for school. Phew. I'm just gonna leave all my hair like this. Okay. Find my school uniform. Okay, done. Now I just have to go downstairs into the bathroom. Yeah. Huh? What is this? Brush, brush, brush. Oh, I have to really brush. Okay. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. A dance. Hi. Hi. Hi, honey. Mom, since when I just saw. Okay. Wow, I really slept really early. Class was so exhausting! Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop, Michelle. Stop saying Alara has code. Alara. Oh. Oh my god. Stop, Crystal, Michelle. You guys. Right. Ah! Haha, you guys got in trouble with Janet. Melissa, please report to my principal office right now. Mel, why? Why did you turn the lights off and on? Because I wanted to. No. Excuse me. Excuse me. No. Bye, Nellies. I think there'll be a part 3 to this, but make sure to subscribe to the notifications and like this video. This was starring by Madison and me. My name's Addison. In this and other people, but cannot say their users. So the other people were the bus driver, the teacher, and the mom. Well, no, Mel was the mom. Yeah. No, Mel wasn't the mom. Mel and Super Ballet Unicorn was one of them for my best friend. Mel was my best friend, and my mom was Maddie. So yeah, I really hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I will do some more like later. And guys, I'm running out of roleplay ideas. Please give me some. So yeah, because I'm sick of doing these family roleplays. Yeah, guys, there might be a part 3 to this because this is the cool. There might be like other parts to this because it's called The Famous Family. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy it, and yeah, I hope for part 3. Bye.